I'm Enzo, your Microcare guy. First of all, thank you for choosing Microcare. As you all know, Microcare is a unique patented technology that provides unparalleled protection to you, your family, and your workplace. This is why it's very important to know how to use such a product. In this short demonstration, you will know how to apply Microcare by yourself using the trigger spray. A small reminder, however, although Microcare is proven to be harmless towards humans and the environment, it is still important as standard precaution to wear masks, gloves, and eye protection. Microcare is very easy and simple to use. First, you need to ensure that the surface you wish to apply your Microcare is clean, meaning to apply detergent to remove all organic dirt. Now, it's time to apply Microcare. Microcare is ready to use, so do not dilute it. Use 6 to 8 sprays per square meter while maintaining a distance of 20 centimeters. Using your microfiber, spread as much Microcare on the table to maximize its efficiency. Allow for 60 minutes for Microcare to dry. Do not touch the surface until it is dry. After 60 minutes, Microcare has turned from a liquid state to a solid state. It is odorless and colorless. You are now protected for the next 365 days. But you need to maintain your regular cleaning with your regular detergent, just without a disinfectant. My name is Enzo, and I hope that helped you, and I am your Microcare guy.